Okay guys, a quick video on how to create a Google Classroom. Very simple. Go to your portal, go right up to the search applications, and we're just going to type in Google. When you do that, you're going to see some options come up, and the first one there should be Google Classroom. So you want to click on that. Let it load up here, and as soon as it loads up, you see I created a few classrooms. But if you want to create a new classroom, you've never done it before, at the top right hand corner you'll see a little plus sign right there. We're going to go right over and click on that plus sign, and it's going to say join class or create class. Obviously you want to create a class. It's going to come up, give it a class name just for these purposes. Call it COVID-19. Why not? And it's a section, doesn't matter, you can call any section you want, it's not required. I'm going to say it's math, why not? And I don't really have to pick one of those, I could just say math, and I don't have to put a room number. So you want to put probably your homeroom instead of COVID-19 and the year, just in case next year you're going to create a new one. And subject, you can write all if you're doing all as well. Okay, for our K1 and 2 teachers. And then you click create on the bottom. It's going to create your class. Give it a second to load up. It's still creating. There's obviously a lot of people trying to create classes right now, so it might take a second. And there you go. So now I have my class, COVID-19, and if you look right here, there's a class code. This is the code you want to send to your students. If you click this button, boom, it gets bigger. You can take a picture of that, send it to them, just email it to them, so when they get on their portal, they could simply just put that in to their Google Classroom and they'll automatically be in your class. Now, if you want, we're probably going to use at some point emails and stuff. This is on your class right here. I'm going to minimize that. At the top left-hand corner, you see these three things next to the name, three lines. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to give me a whole bunch of options here. Obviously I'm in COVID-19, so I'm going to click on COVID-19 and make sure I'm in it. I'm sorry, I should have got settings there. So if I go there, I'm going to have a whole bunch of things right here. I want to scroll to the bottom where it says settings. I'm going to click on settings. On the settings, it's going to have a whole bunch of different things I can do, and you'll see one of them's email notifications. This is so you can receive emails when students maybe comment on your posts, when they comment on work, when they post other work, say some of the teachers, ESE teachers are on there with you. It's probably a good idea to make sure all of these are on, because you kind of want to know when stuff comes through. And basically they'll just email you. If kids have questions, they'll email you and it'll pop up in your email through Google Classroom. So that's basically the last thing. When you're done with that, I think you could just click on those three lines again and it'll kick you right back. All right, that's how to create a new classroom.